G'day, hi, I'm Michael from Linky Lifestyle, and together with my wife Marty we bring you this channel. As you know, Marty's having a little bit of a break, and I'm going to present you with a video or two, as well as Chessie. Today I'm talking about the Maverick Axis Leather Backpack. This beautiful piece of engineering here is fantastic, and this isn't a 10-second or 3-minute review. This is a real road test. I'm not going to show you unboxing. I'm going to show you how this bag was on the road for me. Maverick sent it to me just before I was about to go overseas for 6 weeks of hard yakka in Boston as part of a Harvard Business School education program that I went to, but I wanted to take this bag and use it because I thought it would suit the needs that I would have in Boston on multiple long-haul flights, moving around the campus, moving around Boston, and then coming back to Australia. So I'm going to tell you all about it and how fantastic this bag is. Stay tuned to the end for some really cool final little bits about this wonderful piece of engineering.
So these front two pouches are fantastic. I use the left-hand one for my ID, my wallet, and my spare cash. So I know when it's on the ground, it's on the left-hand side. When it's on my back, it's over my left shoulder, and I can grab my passport, my wallet, my cash if I need it. The right-hand one I use for my headphones, a couple of charging cables, and it's fantastic. Again, a quick, easy access to my headphones and a spare charging cable, so I don't have to open the bag when I'm on the plane. I've got everything I need. Inside, got my mouse, trackpad here, got some toiletry items, but this side is where all the magic happens. Great zipper, great storage pouches here with lockdown cables, and everything here will go in there. And then at the back, my iPad goes in here with my Kindle. It's got a pass-through cable, which is fantastic for my suitcase, and I'll show you that. And it's got a secret pocket in here, locked away for any really specific valuables if you want to keep anything in there, such as a tracking card or a air tag or something like that. Really cool. Very comfortable, full leather, beautiful, comfortable, thin back straps, which make this fantastically comfortable. It's a really cool bag. So let's pack it. So here we are packed. Got my books here, toiletries, charging cable, spare watch, speaker, trackpad. We've packed our wallet and passport in there. We put our lip balm and other quick access toiletries for the flight there. And then in the back, we will have our iPad, our Kindle, and my evening sorting tray. This is where I keep my watches, my lip balm overnight. Quick, pack it down in the morning, and it's in, and we're ready to travel. Well done, Maverick. This is a fantastic bag. Highly recommended.
The Axis is a full-grain leather backpack, and the first thing people notice is the quality of the build and the leather. In fact, a number of flight attendants commented to me on my way back from Boston, I better check the overhead cabin before I get off to make sure they hadn't changed their bag with my bag. They liked it so much. So people notice it. People in the classroom noticed it. People on the airline noticed it. It is just one of those bags that people go, wow, this is a beautiful piece of engineering. And of course, being leather, it's going to age beautifully. In fact, it looks better the more you use it and the older it gets. I ended up at Harvard on day one, had a couple of things in it, my iPad, my Kindle, but progressively over the course of 3 weeks, additional books from lecturers, lecture notes, folders, study materials, I just kept shoving them in, and it just kept expanding, it kept carrying, it kept keeping everything perfectly organized. It became a real road warrior for me, and I carried it with me basically everywhere, from my bedroom, on campus, to the lecture hall. And when I was traveling home, it had all my essentials in it. Let's talk about its functionality. It's got that many pockets in it. It's not funny, it's just fantastic. And it's got 3 easy access pockets, 2 on the outside. The front that I used for my passport, my headphones, my keys, some money, some other identification tags for when I was at school, and then on the rear, concealed under the backpack straps, is a secret compartment. Now you can put your passport in there. I keep my flat Find My card in there, which is fantastic, as well as a little keepsake from my father that I remember him by. And then when you open it, it opens completely flat, and you've got multiple compartments and storage areas. But I kept my iPad, my Kindle, my toiletries, my charging case, a couple of textbooks, some notes, my in-room speaker, earbuds, medications, everything that I needed on me. And then progressively through my period of time in Boston, I added lecture notes, additional textbooks from lecturers. This is a really versatile bag, and again, back to its build, the zippers are beautifully crafted, they're strong, they're sturdy, the compartmentalization inside the bag is very well organized, you can find everything, and there's an additional laptop carry case at the back. Now, I don't carry a laptop with me, but it gave me additional space for additional lecture notes. So, you know, if you have a laptop and an iPad and a Kindle, you'll get it all in there with a whole stack of other things. So this is a very versatile bag. I had a couple other bags with me, bags that Harvard gave me, carry bags that I took with me, but every day I found myself reaching for the Axis. It is a beautiful piece of equipment. And here's the bit that surprised me the most, the comfort level of the bag. If you look at the straps at the back, they are fully padded and fully comfortable. And I never noticed it on my back. I had it packed solid with textbooks, with iPads, with my Kindle every day. And whenever I slung it on my back, it didn't feel bulky, it didn't weigh me down. Because of the low profile, it doesn't stick out and hang out behind you like a lot of backpacks do with multiple pockets that you bump into things on a train or on a bus. It's very low profile, which means it sits beautifully squarely on the center of your back and is very easy to carry. And that was the most surprising thing about it. Not to mention the fantastic design and the leather and all the other fantastic features, but when I slung it on one day and it was fully loaded, I went, wow, this is just a comfortable backpack. I'm going to use this for a long time. When I mean a long time, I mean a lifetime. You know, I wasn't easy on this bag. 6 weeks of solid travel. I was there in February, March, and April. Freezing cold temperatures in February. The bag performed perfectly. April, when spring came around, it was fantastic and comfortable on my back. It's been on multiple flights from Canberra to Sydney, Sydney to Dallas, Dallas to Boston. It's been on the train in Boston. It's been on the bus in Boston. It even came out to me one night to a baseball game as I brought some, you know, non-study stuff with me that I wanted at the baseball game. It is just a rugged, versatile, beautifully designed bag, and it suits me well. And I think it'll suit you well. So get yourself out there, get yourself an Axis Maverick bag. Check the links below for a discount, and yeah, tell me what you think when you get one. But I found it 100% the go-to backpack for me, and I will use it for a long, long time. Say bye, Chessie.